Yes, this actually happened today. We're going to call him the Butcher of Kitchen Island. Okay, so first let's walk through this kitchen island. Look at this huge kitchen island. This thing is completely custom, super nice, super sweet kitchen island. I'm just showing you some of the still pictures I took of it today, and then I'm going to show you a walkthrough video of the kitchen island to show you how nice this kitchen island really is. Can you imagine something like this happening to your kitchen island that you just paid thousands of dollars for? Could you imagine being a builder who's now going to answer to a customer and say, I'm so sorry, we're going to have to figure this out? And hopefully you've got a cabinet maker or a custom kitchen island maker that can make this right for you like this guy did. Take a look at this walkthrough and see what you think about this awesome custom kitchen island. Wait, did you catch that? Let's back this thing up. I'm going to show you where this guy really screwed up at. Yep, that's right. Right about right here. And now you're thinking, oh, but wait a minute, here. Oh my gosh, what kind of idiot cuts a hole behind one of the legs, inside one of the panels, to have an outlet right there? I mean, absolutely stupid. I can't believe he did this, and it's one of those things where you're going, I mean, honestly, it's almost unfathomable why you would do something to quite such a custom kitchen island. Why would you absolutely ruin this thing by doing it? Oh, but wait. No, please tell me, Tony, he didn't do it on both sides, but he did. He did. On both sides, the builder said it looked like he used a chainsaw, and I would have to agree. Customer saw it, the builder decided to fix it. After speaking with the builder, I found that he had talked with the person, I'll let you guess who it might have been, who had done the job, and he had also talked with the cabinet maker, and the cabinet maker is going to make it right. But could you imagine walking into your custom home with your custom kitchen island and seeing this custom work? Well, needless to say, this kind of stuff should never be allowed to fly. Check your subs, know who you're working with. If you're having anything added to your kitchen island that you don't know how to do yourself.